Hey everyone, I am Jerry H. Bueg from grade 11 Einstein. I also felt the recent earthquake, though it wasn't that strong in our area. Even for a few seconds, it was enough to remind me how fragile life can be. I can only imagine the fear, pain of those who felt it much stronger. The shaking maybe have stopped, but the memories and fear remain in many hearts. Still, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Your courage and faith give hope to others who are watching you. Rise again. You face something terrifying, yet you continue to stand tall and brave. Hold on your faith and keep believing that healing and peace will come. The earth may shake, but your spirit will never be broken. So let's keep praying and trusting God for His love be stronger than any earthquake. I hope this message gives strength to everyone who experienced the recent earthquake. Thank you.